So this next exercise, we're going to use the band to strengthen our biceps. I'm going to turn sideways so you can see what I'm doing a little more easily. But you're going to place one end of the band firmly under your feet and grab the band in your right hand in a handshake hold. So if you're going to go forward and shake somebody's hand, grab hold of that and then pull your elbow back in to the side of your body. You're going to keep this band tense with tension at all times. Let that top of that band flop out of the way. I'm going to make it on the inside so that it's out of your way to see, but wherever it's comfortable. Keeping that elbow in tight to the body. And you're going to take the thumb up towards the shoulder without moving the elbow. So we're just lifting and lowering, keeping that elbow still. So all the movement comes from the elbow. Try and watch what's going on with your wrist. We're trying to keep that wrist nice and tight, nice and taut. Lovely. Now, if it's too easy, you can slide your hand down the band, which makes it harder. Or, of course, pick a harder band, stronger band. If it's too difficult for you, take your hand up the band. But I want you to keep tension in the band all the time. So if you're starting from here, don't let it flop. Keep the little bit of tension the whole time and make the move smaller. You don't have to touch your shoulder. You're just going to take it as far as is comfortable. And so again, watch. It's about a movement. If I do the movement without the band, that's the movement I'm doing. There's no movement in the wrist. There's no movement in the shoulder. It's all coming from